I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. The bulls got trapped here and the price action has yet to break this level. So very important that this accumulation breaks to the upside and Bitcoin can continue its parabolic run, potentially 25,000 next stop. However, on a breakdown, you know that everybody's waiting to buy. A lot of people miss this move. I'm not so concerned about actually catching Bitcoin. I'd rather buy the altcoins because they'll hit bigger multiples. I think Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin percentage-wise by far. Right? If you want to buy your kids a coin, Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. Period. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So again, we're talking about this rising parabolic move, right? You had this rising channel break to the upside. That's very bullish. And then bull flag, break to the upside, bullish, bull flag. Right now it looks pretty like nothing's going on, really. Right now it looks like not a whole lot's going on. There's definitely a point where we could see some type of move and pay attention to right here on the lower trend line of this rising broadening wedge, which will be coming about Monday. So again, Sunday night, Monday morning, looking for a move out of Bitcoin. Definitely room for another leg higher, potentially flag again. But if this does break to the downside, obviously you're buying Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin daily chart. And so you see that you had your baby golden cross. These are great at front running the actual real golden cross, which is going to come here later, probably in about 7 days. The price action's holding above all of the major supports we've been talking about and hasn't hit the target yet, 25,000. Okay, so Bitcoin has a bullish stature, is in a rising broadening wedge, which technically is a bearish pattern, but when you have parabolic run-ups, they do break higher, and the probabilities, the price action goes against the probabilities, and everybody misses the move because technical analysis rules say one thing. But whenever technical analysis is wrong, perfect. This thing goes against the percentage. If there's a 68% chance this breaks to the downside and it breaks to the upside, bull mania, bullish mania. It already happened right here. It's already happening, right? And so, man, pay attention to this price action. Some of this stuff's so easy. Like, just please subscribe to the channel. I'll get you guys up to speed. If you're losing money in this market, you're doing something wrong right now, because this has been some of the easiest trading you could possibly be in. You just got to be in the right coins, and I can help you do that. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, basic idea, and I taught you guys this the other day with Matic. And I said, hey, if you have, and also AXS is doing it right now. If you have price action that is moving sideways or consolidating above the 200 simple, you're going to get the baby golden cross coming in here, and that's going to be a bullish idea, and bots are going to buy on it. So as long as it holds this level, Bitcoin doesn't pull back, then you could get an impulsive wave out of AXS, right? And so basic ideas that I can help you with. Gosh, this guy in the group, he says, since you mentioned support entries, buying the support retest of the 200 up 43% in one day. This person, I really got serious over the last 3 or 4 months, and I'm up $4,900. And we nailed Gala for 400%. He said he missed it, but he's not too upset. But we nailed it in the trading group. Bolsa DX, yeah, we had Gala all over, and Flux, all the top gainers on Binance, we nailed. Again, Bolsa DX is the exchange. There's a link in the description where you can trade Binance liquidity. Definitely recommend that. Life changing. Made my first well strategized managed trade today. 75% on DYDX, which was given in the trading group. And it's amazing. This young lady, again, following Joe's and Tripp's advice, which I had guys constantly answering questions, grading charts around the clock, all night, all day. You've never seen anything like this group. We do way too much. We really do. We do way too much. People have never seen a group like this. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You never will have this opportunity again. Now so this is yesterday. Okay, 83%, 51%, 47, 43, 33. So we're up so far on Polka City, 711%. I posted on Twitter last night and that thing freaking took off. I went through and they have a working product now. Like, it's crazy. Anyways, life-changing money, 213%. Go to the day before that, 202%, 116, 77, 70. Every single day I've got a team, the strongest team I ever imagined. Like, I want you to pay attention. Write this down. Seriously, write this on your whiteboard. Write this on your hand. If the ES1 3-day bull flag, this thing breaks out to the upside where you get the Fed 25 basis point rate hike, which would be lower than the 50 basis point rate hike. This thing breaks out, you better start buying because the markets are going to take off. This would be so bullish to see a breakout here. Now, on a rejection, obviously, we're going the other direction. But here it is. I mean, this measured move, you're running up. I mean, do you break all-time highs? This is huge. I mean, I can't even tell you how much the first of the month is going to mean for trading stocks and crypto. S1 breaks out higher, life-changing money, period. Bitcoin dominance. And so Bitcoin dominance, we saw it in this. And again, you want altcoin dominance is when Bitcoin dominance falls. And that's when altcoins are super easy to trade. So got this rising wedge. It looked like it broke to the downside, possibly retesting. Main thing is you don't want this thing to keep pushing higher because it doesn't help the altcoins. And altcoin season is when this thing rolls over. Total 2. Listen to me. I'm going to pull this measure. Altcoins, as long as this stays broken out of this pattern, we're going to get across the board 25, 26, 27% gains out of all top 125 altcoins on average. Small caps on Kucoin are going to do 2 and 3x gains based on this level. So if this breaks out higher, life-changing money. This pumps and the money flows into the altcoins. We're making tons of money right here, right? It's all about to happen. It's plan A. This thing breaks higher and hey, what? Moon City. This thing breaks lower. Plan B, close, longs, short the market. PT. So I talked about this the other day and I didn't even think about it, but you get these, when these projects go parabolic, you get these falling wedges and they continue to break higher. Well, guess what? APT is putting together another consolidation, potentially draw it as a falling wedge. And APT up 218%. I posted this on the 12th. In 16 days, you're up 218%. And now it's flagging again. This thing is at all-time highs and it's ready to explode again. Rose, I gave you guys the setup. I said breakout level. It's pushing itself higher. If you traded this when I first gave it to you previously, I mean, you're definitely in profits. I'll give you an idea on the breakout. You're up about 13% so far on Rose. Rose is one of those coins. It's DeFi, and when DeFi turns on, this thing will pump crazy. On Kucoin. Kucoin gem pick. This thing will pump insanely hard, right? You have this long-term accumulation. It broke out and it pumped and it was one of the top gainers. Now it came down and it double bottomed. What do double bottoms do? If this thing breaks out, and it might be forming some type of triangle. If this thing breaks out, you're just going to see another explosive move, and the target would be here, right? The target, and it might take time. It's not necessarily going to go straight there, but let's face it, when we talk about coins on Twitter, on YouTube, they pump crazy. Gem on Kucoin, pay attention, ready to bang. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.